Welcome back. Now that you have been introduced to the Introduction to Philosophy is, let's take a look at what the course is like. And in order to do that, please go back to the introductory tab or module as you've already done and follow me to the syllabus and course calendar. When you click on that link, it will embed the syllabus and course calendar in your Canvas browser. You may download that syllabus if you'd like, as I always do, or you can also follow along with me here. The syllabus has all of my contact information. You may call or email or text at any time to those pieces of information. I will also explicitly be prepared to take your questions on Monday and Tuesday from 2:30 to 3:30. The syllabus includes for the first time the 5 texts that are required for the course. They are a rule book for arguments, 2 texts from Plato, 1 from Aristotle, and 1 from Descartes. Each of these texts should be purchased or checked out from the library using the ISBN number, because that will get you the correct translation as well as the one that has the right indexes. Otherwise, some of your reading and discussion with your classmates might be difficult because it will use different words, translated words, and it will be harder to find some of the key text. So please make sure that you use the ISBN to find either your online text, your hard copy, or your checked out copy. The course description we've already described in the welcome, and the earlier tab communicated to you what the course objectives were. So instead, let's travel all the way down to the bottom of the syllabus where we can find our course calendar. I have designed this course with each week having an orienting question. So for example, the second week will have a question that asks what's the philosophical life? Our first week will ask the question, what is a good argument? That question will orient our entire week's lessons. What I expect each week from every student is on Monday and Tuesday, you get into those lessons, whether it's a written lecture that I've offered you, or a video I've produced, or a video I've found online that is useful to you, and you begin reading the primary text for that week. If you do that on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, you then will be very ready and prepared to post on our first discussion board. Each week we will have 2 discussion boards. The first one I expect every student to post by Wednesday, and a second time by Friday of that week. The second discussion board I expect every student to post by Friday, and then again on Saturday or Sunday over the weekend of that week. So at least 2 quality posts on each discussion board. Of course, the first post is going to be your own answer to the discussion board question, but the second one then needs to be substantial responses to your classmates so we can attempt to have some kind of an online discussion. Besides those 2 discussion boards, which will form 10 points for each week's work, you will have a third assignment that follows the reading of the week. These reading questions, I call journal reading questions, are worth 4 points each week. And they are reading questions that you can write in hand on a piece of paper. You can type them online. You can email them to me. You can take a picture of them with your phone and send them to me via text. Whatever is easiest for you, because I want you to use these reading questions to help you wrestle with the ideas that are in those primary texts. You should be writing those answers to those questions throughout the week as you read, but they are not due until Sunday at midnight at the end of the week. So those are the 3 primary activities you're going to be doing each week. The reading questions that follow the reading you're doing, the first discussion board, which starts on Wednesday, and the second discussion board, which starts on Friday. There will be other activities that we will do in week 4, 6, and 8, and they are short papers, but I will describe those to you when we go. And when you write those papers, you will have less reading and less discussion board work on those weeks, so that way your time is all manageable.